Hey everyone, got my Starlink the other day, and I quickly realized that I needed to do a couple of things to customize it. Not really customize it per se, but find some aftermarket things that could make it even more useful. You'll notice right away that with your Starlink, you get a couple of adapters that fit on the back. This one is the pipe adapter, and this one is the kickstand that is installed by default. And this is a third-party one that I just got for a tripod because I want to position my Starlink on the ground and twist it and turn it and orient it the way that I see fit. So this video is all about just finding how to remove this pesky adapter, which is surprisingly not that easy. So let me know what you think. Let's go. Now, if you're like me, you're probably interested in taking your Starlink Mini on the road. And it comes with this neat little kickstand here, which is great, but I quickly realized that I wanted to remove it for other things like this tripod adapter. So I can mount it to a tripod like this and take it on the road and, have a little bit more flexibility. But I also quickly discovered that getting this thing off was a little bit of a challenge, and I think I'm pretty strong, and I don't want to break this beautiful new $400 device, and it doesn't seem obvious like how to take this out with a tool, so that was a bit of a challenge. So I want to share with you how I overcame that. It's really not hard, by the way, just TLDR, but what you're going to want to do is lift up and out on this. Now, it doesn't feel very smooth or anything, but you just kind of lift up. And, you can see it's a little bit tough, but I'm going to do it. I promise I'm going to do this. Up and out. There we go. So not very smooth, and you can see it. Looks like it came out of the hinge there. But this is just the. This is just something that I need to fix now. I guess I am a little bit too big and strong for my own good. But this should just pop back in. Is this good content? Maybe it is. Let's see. I'm gonna just pop it right back in there. I've never done this part before. I should have practiced this a little bit more before this video. Let's see, is that in? No, it's not. Or is it? I guess that is in. Anyway, kind of a surprising level of fit and finish, I think, for the Starlink to have this kind of cheap plastic thing that's not very smooth. The device itself, I feel like, is really nice. Like, it feels good, and it's got these nicely fitting like little covers and things. Very simple, clean, but these little accessory things that it comes with, a little bit flimsy, a little bit cheap plastic, and you can see just not easy to take in and out. Now I'm a little winded even. Let's try clicking it back in and doing this all over again just for fun. I'm sure that'll be entertaining. All right, so to put it back, we simply slide it back in. Slide it back in. And there it is, pretty secure in there. And then it's a kickstand again, which is fine for a very basic use. It points up at the sky and you can move it around, but I need more flexibility. So I'm gonna take this out and up and out. All right, that time it came out really nicely, but holy crap. Let's just put that back in again. Okay, managed to slide it back in. let's practice this one more time. Slide it back. There we go. That's secure. And then to get it out, up and out. There we go. So yeah. So fast forward, and now I've got this tripod adapter mounted. I've got the Starlink Mini on the tripod, and I can position it however I want. Somehow I got this kickstand off, and this pipe adapter for maybe mounting it more permanently to a pole or something like that. That's another thing I can do. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share today. Thanks.